Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be planning out the week of January 16th through 22nd in my Hobonichi weeks. So a couple of updates. First things first, I got this beautiful cover, pre-loved from someone over on Instagram. I just kind of put a in search of out on my stories and I was able to get the Forbidden Fruit cover from Hobonichi. This thing is stunning and I have just become a huge fan of covers that are zippered because when I am just out and about or I just want to throw this in my purse, like truly throw it in my purse, I can. And it looks like a wallet, a really beautiful freaking wallet. It is stunning, like absolutely stunning. Okay. Enough about the cover. Just really excited to have it. I always get asked about it when I'm talking about it over on Instagram or anywhere like that. Now, the only thing is that my clear cover doesn't fit in here. So it truly just sits in here. It's really just a holder for my Hobonichi weeks. I really do love it. I also got a cover for my cousin as well. I'll share that some other time, but I really love it. Now, in the back of my notes pages here, I did change a couple of things up, just kind of inspired from what I'm seeing in the community. Mom of Two Plans, I think is her handle. I shared it in a video last week or the week before. Has a really cool tracker over on her page, and I was like, I want to do the same. So kind of what I have here is like this was the end of December, and then I just started like all of my tracking after that. So you have the January habits tracker, and I just have like the different areas. So home, wellness, self-care, and then I had like a little social media section. It's going to be kind of fun to look back on at the end of the month. And then I've got some trackers for bills and then order tracking. And oddly enough, it's like the 13th. I haven't bought anything in 6 days. It's a blessing. So this is kind of cool to keep track of when my orders ship. And when I have received my orders, I was writing the amounts. I might stop doing that because it's kind of depressing. And then we just jump right into my daily pages, which these I probably won't do Plan With Me's on because they're literally like this much writing. And so right now I'm just kind of currently here. I am a couple days behind. I don't know if I'll actually go back in and like back plan those days, but this page right here, I decided to put 2 days on each side. This planner, like I've said before, is definitely very, it's deceitful in the size. You can truly fit a lot of things in here. So this is how this week is looking. Pretty plain. I've had a lot of meetings at work, so not a whole lot of time or extra room for decor or just the time to decorate in general. So moving on to the next week. This week I might want to get a little bit more decorative. The verdict is still out on that, but I did pull some sticker sheets. So I grabbed some journaling kits from Nicole Hutch Designs. I really love these, and obviously I can't use all of this on these pages, but I can definitely make a lot of use of these. Okay, so first off, across the bottom, I think I'm going to put these across here, but I'm going to kind of use not the very end of it. I like this sort of in-between thickness for the sheets, and I'm just going to use my slice tool here to cut the washi. Actually, what I could do is just kind of put it down in there where the pages meet and then cut from there. There we go. I've been wanting to get a little bit more decorative in this planner, but I'm always like hesitant, like I don't want to overdo it, but also it would be fun to see this book get kind of chunky, you know, just a little bit, not a whole lot. And this is kind of really light, a little bit lighter than even I expected. I don't know that we'll necessarily use something this light the next time. Whoops. All right, so there is the bottom washi. And then I think across the top, I'm trying to find one that would look good up here. I do kind of use these boxes over here, but I'm kind of thinking of no longer tracking the social media posts over here. I kind of want to try something different, which could be fun, could be disastrous. I'm not entirely sure, but that looks really nice. All right, and then I do have some Randy Dot Plans stickers that I do want to use, or maybe I don't need them for this set up right here. Okay, and then Randy Dot Plans has these week stickers. So this is the 3rd week, and I'm just gonna use these smaller ones. I thought I had ones where they were written out, but I may have misplaced them, and I'm just going to use one of these smaller stickers that will kind of go across here, like the green, to just cover up. Completely unnecessary, but it's what I want to do. And then before I go any further, I do want to divide up the page where I normally do, which is normally right about here. Don't want to add any more stickers in case I don't want to have to cover up the line, or have to uncover the line, I should say. This coming week, we have some VIPs coming in from work. And I think what I'm going to do here is just put this line right about here, because I still want to put like my habit tracker that I've been putting. And I'm not going to do the social media posts over here. They may have space over here, which is going to work out just fine. But from the planner spot, I grabbed some stickers that say like this week, things like that. And I kind of want to incorporate those. So I'm going to put the this week sticker across the top here. I kind of really am loving the transparent stickers, like more than anything in the world lately. It has been all about the transparent stickers for me, and I want to layer it on something that will look nice, possibly this one right here, so you can kind of see it. There is a floral print on this, but I think it's going to be just fine. But I think this is going to look really, really cute, and I almost want to layer it with something else just because it'll stand out more on that kind of blue color right there. And that's probably one of my favorite things about journaling kits, is that it is so easy to layer everything and just, I don't know, you can get really, really creative with these kits. So that's what I'm gonna put there, is some habit trackers. Actually, you know what I will do is this week, I'll actually put my to-do list here, and then I will put both trackers down here. I think that makes a little bit more sense, at least it does in my brain. So the first tracker that I always put in is the one that has like the medication, vitamins, all that fun stuff, and then the sleep tracker. So those two will now be moved down to the bottom. And the pen that I'm using this week is the Sarasa Dry in 0.4. I love Sarasa pens so, so much, and this one is just a champ on the Tomoe River paper. And then I'm just gonna label this area goals for the week. I think she might have had habit stickers, but I missed those. I should have paid attention. Okay, so also from Randy Dot Plans, you can get the day strips for both the weeks and the cousin, and I'm sure some other planners as well. And I just really love using these for both of those trackers, because these actually fit the box sizes of the Hobonichi weeks. And I'm just gonna move it over just a little bit more, that way it's not in the same like columns as it was on the other pages, since I don't have to worry about this column right here. So the habits that I want for this week are medication, vitamins, workout, closing my rings on my Apple Watch, drinking at least 80 ounces of water, making time to read, and or making time to meditate. Which, if you haven't checked out the meditation apps on Peloton, you definitely should. Oh my gosh, an end of day, like 10-minute relaxation meditation is just absolutely amazing. I always sleep so much better. All right, next up is my sleep tracker. So great pivot there. All right, so definitely want to start with this arrow. And then I'm just making kind of markers for myself, but I also use the same day strips at the bottom of this one. I mean, again, you can always write these in, but stickers just make life easier. You know what I mean? And this is where the other half needs to end, so I'll just grab my ruler and draw that in. And then I think I'm going to make an adjustment. I've always started at 6 because that's what I've seen other people do, but I'm going to knock it down to 5. Yes, I know that's horrible, but I don't get the best sleep. Although I will say that 2 days this week, I did sleep for a whole 8 hours and I didn't know what to do with myself. It was absolutely amazing. All right, so over here, I'm just gonna put sleep. It's obvious, I guess, to me, but to other people, they might not be quite as obvious. Sleep with a few Z's. All right, and then on the left side, let's look at the schedule. Depending on what I have going on, I may actually incorporate some additional decor. I just kind of want to make sure that I'm prioritizing the tasks that need to be put in here. So first, I'm going to start with my work schedule. Okay, so I've got my work schedule in there, and then I'm just going to kind of plug in any important meetings that I have each day. It's not going to be as jam-packed as it normally is, so that's awesome because last week was a little bit chaotic. Okay, all the work things are in there. There's a couple of other meetings that I need to plug in there, but they don't exactly have an exact time at this point. The other thing I want to add is the MLK holiday in there. Again, I've got some stickers from the planner spot because this planner, while it's the English version, it doesn't have American holidays in there. But the planner spot has these amazing holiday stickers, which are transparent and like just perfectly sized for the Hobonichi weeks. And oh yeah, MLK Day, it's 2 separate words there. I almost want to put that on a sticker as well. Let's see, what do we have? I feel like we've already got some green up there, so I may just use this one right here. I think that will look good. And then just kind of layer it there. Unfortunately, it is not like a day off holiday for us. They took it away to give us another holiday, which is totally fine. And it was also, I think it was like a huge debate last year. Like it was, if it was going to like affect one of the Christmas holidays or something like that, just something ridiculous. But, so we don't have this day off. Traditionally, I have taken it off in the past, but because we have, again, those VIP visitors coming, I don't really have that luxury. So as far as other events for this week, I really don't have any, which is freaking fantastic. So I think what I'm going to do is focus on my task list over here. So the big thing this week is I need to get my oil changed. Do need to get my nails filled. You do not need to tell me that you noticed that I needed to get my nails filled. Anywho, I'm excited to change the color because I've been dying to go with like a blue for January, even though we're already halfway through January. It's fine. I'm fine. All right, and then I definitely want to start on my Go Wild packing list. I cannot believe we are less than 2 months out, and I just want to make sure that I have everything that I need and I'm not scrambling to buy things last minute because that can get pretty damn expensive, and I hate when that happens. The other thing is I obviously focus on my budget and pay bills, and I think that that's it. So now maybe I can like throw in some decor on some of these pages. I was really hoping that I could find that this was like more like this color, but that's okay. We're gonna put it down anyway. I think it's gonna look really cute. I don't know, or should I put it over here? I don't know. I don't know. That would be kind of cute right there because it's not really, would it be interfering with anything? Why is this so hard? I feel like I need to cut some of it. I feel like I need to cut some of it off. Can I cut it off without messing it up? The world will never know. Yeah, they will, because it'll be really crooked. All right, let's see what's going on here. Okay, so that interferes with Monday. Let's move it all the way into the crease. All the way, it's still interfering. What in the world? You're probably like, you should have just put it on the other side. And you would be right. However, I am highly, highly, highly stubborn. And once I have my mind set on something, that's it. It's over. That's how it's going to have to be until it happens. Okay, let's try this again. Deep breaths, everybody. Deep breaths. Okay, that's so crooked. Oh my goodness. This is why I should just stay away from stickers altogether. Okay, that doesn't look bad. Looks all right. And then I think I'm going to use this one to just kind of put it over here. I have nothing written on this side right now, so it's not really interfering with anything, which is awesome. And then, oh man, we have this giant one right here. I definitely do not need to mess with that. I kind of want to put it down here. Okay, just put the stickers away. All right. I think that that's it for now. Oh, I said I wanted to put a weekend sticker and I have yet to do that. Well, actually just put it right here. And then just kind of write weekend on it because I don't have an actual weekend sticker. I think that looks cute. All right, we're gonna leave the planner alone now. It's all set up for the week. I'm ready to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me today. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.